All right, we are here at the premier floating home moorage out here east of the 205 on the Columbia River. This is Columbia Ridge Marina. We're here today looking at an even construction original slip D2. And what's so awesome about this marina is you own both sides of the moorage dock. So you get a little swim platform, your boat moored on the other side of the dock. You own the slip here. And you also get a 10 by 65 little storage space on the other side of the road, enough to put a full container, boat on dry land. And it's great because storage is where you run out of with floating homes. And at this moorage, this marina, you got ample storage, and that means a lot. I'm Jett. Let's go check out D2. Come on. I mean, look at this. Look at these breezeways here. Nice gangway planks, gangway ramps. Moorage docks are perfect, really wide, really safe. Composite decking, top tier houses, top tier pilings, top tier lifestyle, baby. Built by Even Construction, green rated standards, energy efficiency, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, great float, great marina, great community. Coming in through the entry here, we got the guest bedroom. Right when you walk in, this full bathroom that's easily accessible from the guest room, the kitchen, living room. But right when you walk in, you got just this killer smooth wall, ceiling finish, concealed trim. This is an all green Energy Star certified house. Beefy countertops, really clean look, built-ins, you know, drying rack, built-in cutting board. Everything really just fits perfect, pop filler, really a luxury kitchen. And a comment from the current owners is that it's the most usable and user-friendly kitchen he's ever lived in. So it's a pretty big compliment. Got the frosted glass, which really brings in natural light. I mean, everything fits here. You're coming from the kitchen, the big living room, gray room, and you got the river right there. And then you got full wall of windows, and these are actually sliders. So in the summertime, open them up. You got really outdoor, indoor living. It really blends. And then you got a covered area for the winter time or hot summer days, shade. It's really just built perfectly for the water, for the slip, for the river life. That's kind of how we design these homes, and that's why this is such an awesome home. I'd say top tier in the moorage, and one of the best moorages on the river at that. Trex decking will last forever. Metal siding, board and batten, rock, a lot of cool exterior siding pieces that really give it the cool and the wow factor feel of really custom home. We're ready to dive in right now. Coming up to the second floor here, like I said, really well thought out. Primary bedroom right here, 2 guest rooms, and then a Jack and Jill bathroom right here. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. Washer and dryer right here with cool slide-in glass door. I mean, everything just fits perfectly. Come to the primary right here. Wall of windows to really enjoy the river life all the way. Coming in here, I mean, just wow factors all around. Custom tile. Our tile guy is the best in the business. Again, you got this concrete slab sinks, which really give it a cool, it dives in right in there. You got the reclaimed wood down here. The floors on the stairs and on the second floor here have been redone. They're bamboo floors, so a little bit of an upgrade, well kept. Plus another balcony on the front here that connects to both these guest rooms. This is good vibes. Look at this guy on a jet ski out here. These are fun vibes, fun community. Living the dream out here on the Columbia. Coming up to the 3rd floor, and this 3rd floor, it's got the 3rd floor deck, but it's also got so much more. It's got this cool wet bar here. You got tankless hot water heater. You got central heat and air coming through the house, and it's really working today. Coming on out to the slider here. This is where you want to be, man. I'm telling you, on any day of the week, any month of the year, this is just overlooking the Columbia. And the big bonus is, check this out, you got another room in here. And right now they got 3 beds. Waterproof deck, cedar accents right here, you know, lap siding, party finishes. From being in one of the top marinas in the state here at Columbia Ridge Marina, to all 3 levels, to 4 bedrooms, to over 2,600 square feet, to the all green certifications, to the quality of build, quality of finishes. Everything about this place is top tier. I'm Jett with Oregon Floating Homes and Even Construction. In a marina like this, in a house like this is the best of floating home life, and it needs to be you in here. So let's get it done today. Give me a call, shoot me a text, and we'll get you on the river today.